Hey Stampin' friends, welcome to the Joy of Stamping with Rachel. I'm Rachael Coon and it's Fun Fold Friday. Today I'll be using the Sweet Peas stamp set, which will be part of my card club class next month. So if that's a fun stamp set that you like, definitely sign up for my class next month. It's gonna be so much fun. We were making a window card today, inspired by Karen Titus. She shared a cute video of how to make a card that's a little bit smaller than traditional, but it has this fun window and an opening up of the designer series paper. So love this fun fold here. Let's go ahead and set that aside and we'll get the products that we need. Of course, I love hearing from you, so please comment below. One lucky person who comments will get our card that we make in the video today. I'm actually changing it up and I'm going to use this cute pun here. So we have this really cute party peas, so we're going to have a happy birthday instead of a welcome sweet pea, which we made for that more of a baby showers type card. All right, let's grab our supplies. This card is surprisingly easy, especially if you have a punch. I don't use a punch. I use the deckled circles dies to die cut out this nice circle here. We're going to take that die cut circle though, and we are going to use it again for the inside of our card. So grab that out and let's do a quick little bit of stamping. This is just going to be for our happy birthday. I'm just using the Memento ink for this one. And we'll ink that up nicely and put it in the top center of our die cut circle. Cute. For all the measurements, please visit my blog. I'll try to have some of them here and there that I'll say, but I always say them wrong. So the best source is my blog, which is in the comments below. Okay, and then I did go ahead and do some pre-stamping and pre-coloring. So I went ahead and I stamped that cute little party peas that are in the pod, and I've used my stamping blends, which is the new in color, the peach pie and the light shy shamrock and dark shy shamrock. So those are the colors we used. And then for the inside, we have a piece of the new In Colors Designer Series paper, and we've just cut off, so this is traditionally as a 6x6, we just cut off a little piece of it so that we have a 5 1/4 by 6, and then it has it where it can be scored in the middle at the 3 mark. If you don't have a way to score, you could just lightly fold it, grab your bone folder, and crease that down. And it's up to you what you want it to be, the inside or outside. Looks like I'm flipping this one. We have the more of the subtle look on the outside of this one. We're gonna have it more of the circles on this one this time. So super fun. Then the extra pieces we have, depending on how you want to decorate your front. So I have this larger piece here, which is like a 3 by 1 1/4. And you could just leave it plain with this, or you could flip it over and use that side. Or you can use a little bit smaller, so this is just the 1 inch size. Let me double check on that one. Yep, just 1 inch here. And then you can use the piece that we cut off from that edge of the designer series paper and create a little topper for it as well. So you have a couple of options there. I can even flip this one over and have it be the lines with that. That would make it fun. We'll go ahead and try that this time as well. Okay, so these are all of our main pieces. Now we just need to do some quick assembling. First, we need to go ahead and put this in the inside of our card base, which is that peach pie, that new in color. And I'm going to grab just a little bit of Stampin' Sil Plus and put it each in the corners and the center. Then I'm very carefully going to place it in the inside. And I say carefully because this is super sticky. So once I place it down, it is stuck there for good. So I'm going to kind of find my borders here by putting it on one side of my paper, and then I'll press fully down. Once we're here, we'll flip over this circle and we'll add some liquid glue to the back of this one. And then what I like to do is kind of have it lined up. So we're going to open up that designer series paper, and then we're going to close this part here, and I'm going to try to make it so they're lined up in the inside of there. So it looks like it's continuous look when we open it from one spot to the next. So just kind of press it through that window here. That liquid glue will lift this part up while pushing this part down so that it sticks. Nice. And we left a little spot so you can write your name too. If you want, you can stamp more things on this part of the designer series paper. I'm gonna go ahead and close it up, and we're gonna add our cute little peas by adding some dimensionals to the back of them. Okay. And I did fussy cut this one out. There are no dies to cut out these cute little shapes. And I'm gonna hold this part down, and I'm gonna put it at a fun angle. So it looks like it's kind of like hanging there. Oh my goodness, this has turned out so cute. Let's grab those bottom pieces, and we're gonna actually do some embellishing that I didn't do on the original card. Since we have, I felt like that little cute little heart on this one was a cute embellishment. So we're going to change it up, and we're going to add some of the In Color Amazing Gems. I call them amazing just because they are my favorite new embellishment for these In Colors. Totally switching out our design here. So we'll have two ideas, and then you can just put this one straight on top. And that one there, creating some fun. If you wanted to do it more of an overlap, you could. That's how I did this one, was with the overlap. These are just two pieces there. All right, and then let's grab these. They're called the 2024-2026 In Color Shimmer Gems, or in my words, Amazing Gems. And we're gonna put some here. The fun part is deciding if we want the peach pie or if we want the shy shamrock. I'm kind of loving that different color on color here. So we're gonna try the peach pie to make this a little bit more fun. We'll grab a large one and set here at the bottom, with a smaller one going at an angle just a little bit above it. I'm just using my paper snips maybe to help me pick them up. There we go. That angle there. And we'll grab one more small one. Almost. I might need to grab my, there we go. And we'll place this one up here in this corner. Super cute. So now we have a little bit of bling next to our cute party peas, and we open it up and it says our happy birthday. I'm just in love with all these cute puns. I hope you guys are too, and that you have fun learning how to make this fun DSP window pop-up card, and you can decorate it any way that you want. I hope you guys have a wonderful Friday, and happy stamping, everyone. Goodbye.